Welcome to 1301 Grist Mill Drive in Phenix City, Alabama. Nestled on over an acre in the desirable Rock Island neighborhood, this custom Southern living home is pristine, offering 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and almost 3,800 square feet with surprises at every turn. You are sure to be impressed with the flexibility of multiple living areas and the gourmet kitchen with beautiful finishes. Truly, no detail has been overlooked. The master suite is located on the main level with private access to the screened-in porch and a stunning bathroom with jetted tub and updated double vanities. Upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, as well as a bonus living space that would make an awesome media area. Movie nights at home just got a lot better. The entire upstairs can be closed off from the main level, perfect for privacy, making this floor plan one you can easily customize to your needs with teens or in-laws. Overlooking the backyard, the screened-in porch provides fantastic outdoor living space. This home also features a 3.5 car garage with workshop and room for your boat, which is perfect for your private marina access to Lake Oliver. This is 1301 Grist Mill Drive.
Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw, at 706-358-4064.